Hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This reflects image. Be supposed time visiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also turn on the notification icon. If you have any question, you can contact me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you're interested in getting any of my picture editing files, they are available for sale. It's not mandatory, but it's kind of necessary if you want to know how to retouch, if you want to know how to manipulate Studio Picture to your taste. So in this video I'll be showing you how to create snoot effects in a special way. Do you know that you can actually use some other objects to create snoot effect instead of you just using shapes, going to your polygonal lasso tool, going to all the shapes you have in your Photoshop? You can actually use anything, I mean anything, to create snoot effect in Photoshop. Let me give you a practical example of that right now. So for you to create snoot effect right now, you actually need to remove your model from the background. As you can see, here's my model. I've actually done all my manipulation. I've brought in everything I need perfectly. So now I want to be creating the snoot effect. For me to create snoot effect now, I want it to be directly below my model layer, so that anything directly below her is going to be affected by the snoots, but I don't want it to touch my model at all. So I've separated everything I need. If you want to know how to do that, there are other videos on my channel for you to learn that from. So I'll be bringing in what I will be using to create my snoot effect right now. I'll just go to my photo, to my file manager. So here's what I want to use right now. As you can see, I'll just click on it, then I'll drag it down to my Photoshop. I'll wait for it to load up, then I'm going to extend the file. Then I will hold down my shift key. I want it to be long this way. I will readjust it to around this way. I'm rotating it right now. So here's how I want my snoot effect to be. Then I'm going to click on my OK. You guys be thinking, what am I planning to do right now? So let me just show you that. So the next thing you'll be doing right now is just to hold down your control key and click on what you just brought in. Click on it this way. Once you click on it, you need to make an entire selection of what you just brought in right now. So we no longer need this right now, so you can just turn it off. So go to your adjustment layer, click on your curves, then drag the curve up. Look at how cool it is right now. Very easy and straightforward. So we've actually done what we promised to do, but now it's a little bit too in focus. So now let's lose its focus a little bit. So just click on the max, then increase the feather to about 30 or so. Look at how perfect it looks. It's very perfect, easy and straightforward to create snoot effects. Look at how it looks right now. So you can actually pick any other shape. So now let's go to file manager and bring in another file again. Let's delete the one we just created right now. Let's delete it. Now let's go to our file manager again. Let's go to our file manager. Let me see if I can see any of my PNG files that I can bring into Photoshop. So now let's scroll down. Let's see if we can see anything we can use to create our snoot effect. This is my actual snoot effect I've been using before. So now let's see. There are so many PNG files here. If you're interested in getting anyone, they are actually available for sale. So let's kind of use this shape also. Let's bring it down to Photoshop. As you can see, let's expand it to around whatever I want it to be. As you can see, let's repeat the same step. Control click on it, and then we turn this back up again. Go to our curve, click on our curve, then we increase it. As you can see right now. Then we're going to click on the max, then we'll feather it. Very easy and straightforward to create snoot effect. So if you find this video kind of educating, kindly drop a like and recommend to your friend. Also if you're interested in getting any of my picture editing files, my overlay, my PNG, my lot files, they are available in my store, which they are very easy to use. Once you just follow my video the right way, you can actually use any of my file. And also my course will also be available soon. My video course on manipulation from A to Z is going to be starting at $100 US. So you can actually make the payment now. It's going to be available in the middle of this June. So that's about today's tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next tutorial. One love. So in case you're interested in getting any of my picture editing file, from my overlays down to my color lookup, which is my lot file, so you just have to scroll down to your video. So under the comment, this is my description. So it's not going to load the description for you. You just have to click on show more, click on it. So it's going to show all the options. Once it does that, just click on my store link,
So here's my store link. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to my store. So you can actually select any file you want. From the color lookup, this is a light skin LUTs. This is a feather which I use in my recent video. This is 100 premium baby overlays. This is my first video course. This video course entails on how to download all the files I want. The site I use in downloading all my files free of charge, including my Photoshop panels also. This includes my PNG files. This includes all my packs, all my picture editing files, my premium overlay, my PNG, my flying fabrics, my color lookup, my presets. So once you buy this, you've already bought everything apart from this one. So here is my flying fabrics. Here is my, in case you want to give me any project for me to work on. Here's my color lookup. Here is my background overlay, and here is my presets file. So in case you're interested in buying anyone, you can actually go for them. The good news there is that you can actually buy your own currency, any currency of your choice. You can buy with any currency of your choice.